Alright guys, here's how you do a 1-point perspective drawing. You'll need your paper. Blank paper is best. Use what you have. If you only have ruled paper, then use that. You'll need a pencil, straight edge or ruler, big and small sizes. You can even use, you need something that's straight, an eraser. You can even use a book edge for a straight edge. So, first thing we need is an horizon line. So we'll be working with the paper in landscape. So long ways, not tall ways, landscape, long ways. So first thing, draw a horizontal line across the paper. Near the middle, don't worry if it's in the middle, try and make it perpendicular 90 degrees to the edge and draw your horizon line. Okay, so all the way across. Next, draw an X near the center. Just draw a dash against the horizon. So that intersection right there creates a dot. That is your vanishing point. All our lines will be going towards, when I say go to perspective, they all go to that point. Your ruler will be on that point. So, and you can turn your paper. You don't have to get in awkward positions as you saw me do there. You can turn your paper. Don't try and turn yourself. So, first, draw a rectangle off the vanishing point. So not on the vanishing point. Draw a square, rectangle, somewhere off. You know, this is how you use a book as a straight edge. Get it as square as you can. Don't worry if your lines aren't perpendicular. Use what you have. Do your best. Sorry for the shaky camera. This is my setup, unfortunately. Make a mistake. Fix it. It's okay if your lines run long right now. It's your first one. And draw lightly, hold your pen. Don't choke your pencil. Just hold it lightly. Okay, we got our rectangle, square, away, box, away from the vanishing point. Now we take each corner and we take it to perspective. So the way I find it easier is to move the paper and put your pencil on the vanishing point. Put your ruler up to the pencil. Put the other side of the ruler to the corner. And go to the corner and draw a line towards the vanishing point. Do that for all corners. Don't worry how long to make it. Just take them to perspective. And we'll do the inside now just for example. Now we have our perspective lines all going towards the vanishing point. Now we draw a smaller square using the perspective lines. So the first line, don't worry, just arbitrary. Draw one vertical line. This is a vertical line. The next one is vertical. Next is horizontal. Try and do it as horizontal as possible. If not, if your ruler is off slightly, the illusion is gone. So do that, and then from this corner, as vertically as possible, straight up to the perspective line, and then close the two. If you have done it correctly, all your line, you'll end up with another square. If you saw my last line wasn't so parallel with the horizon. It's okay. There you go. You got your first box in space, in perspective. Now erase your extra lines. There you go. One. Don't swipe your eraser dust like this because there's pencil lines. You'll get smudgy. You'll get messy. So go ahead and take it off and blow it. Shake your paper off. Just remember, you might make a little bit of a mess. You have to clean your mess. So there we go. 1. We need 9. 9 boxes. They can all be boxes. You can try your hand at other shapes if you dare. You just got to, remember, ruler always to the vanishing point. All my corners to perspective. Let's do another square. Let's do it underneath. Or rectangle, box. I'm not taking any measurements. I am just going. Just need 9. Okay, so we got our square. Again, to perspective. Put your ruler on the vanishing point and the other end to one corner. Like I said, put your pencil on the corner or vanishing point and take it. Pivot off the vanishing point, corner. Take it to perspective. To perspective. Last one. Again, you can pause this and rewind anytime you need to refer to it. So, draw the smaller square at the back, or rectangle. This is not a true square. We do not have the measurements for it. So we don't know if they are equal sides. Oh, look how off I was there. Real wonky. It's leaning this way. It's okay. Erase. Again, clean your paper. Try not to, sorry guys. Try not to dust swipe your paper with the back of your hand. Your hand will get dirty. Try and keep clean. Okay, so we need 9 shapes. That's how you do boxes. Here, let me do a closed box. Let's do a closed box. Okay, got my box. To perspective now. Sorry guys. I'm recording this on my phone and it is on a wobbly phone holder. There. Okay. So I'm going to draw a box you can see into. So I got my front square. Let's draw the bottom of the box and the side of the box. Okay. So we want to look into the box. So I have this corner right here. Take it straight up and just stop at the front of the box. And there you go. You can kind of see into it. Erase our unnecessary lines. Clean the paper. There you go. Okay. This one, I could look into the box if I just erase these inside lines. Do as you will. Have fun with it. You don't have to. This takes more time if you're not preparing for it. So there you go. I can look into the box and up into the box. So let's do a triangle, not a pyramid, but I also want to say a tubular triangle. But it's not a tube because it is not round. So, triangle, right? Then again, we take the corners to perspective. Sorry, I am hitting, see, in light hand. Just erase your mistakes. And far corner. Okay, I have my 3 lines to perspective. Now, the tricky thing with triangles is you have to match the corresponding angle. So we have to match this angle for the far line. So line up your ruler with that side and just actually make it easier. So line up the ruler with that edge and then draw the parallel line on the far side of the ruler. There you go. You got this side. And again, I will try and make it, nope, it won't work. Try and make it match the angle of the bottom line. Connect it. And then just match these 2 corners. And there you go. See, what are we at? 11 minutes? I've done 4. So you just need 5 more. Okay,